Why would two 20-something brewers carry a fancy walking stick through Britain and leave with the future of lager hidden inside it? Meet Gabriel Sedlmayr II and Anton Dreher, Brewing Bros, 1830s edition. Their mission: steal the secrets of British beer without getting caught. Grab a seat, raise a pint, and welcome to the Resonant Past, where history always pours with a perfect head. 1833, Europe is fizzing with steam engines, waltzes, and scientific firsts, but beer is still a local sport. In Munich, 24-year-old Gabriel Sedlmayr wants to level up dark lager. In Vienna, his buddy Anton Dreher dreams of a bright amber crowd pleaser. Both know the British are smashing it with pale malt, thermometers, and top fermenting yeast that behaves like a gentleman. So our duo plans the ultimate study abroad. Armed with notebooks, train tickets, and one very special walking stick, picture Bass & Co. in Burton-on-Trent. Copper kettles bubbling, foreman boasting about our perfect pale wort. Sedlmayr nods politely while Dreher distracts the guide. Schlub. The brass tip of their cane pops off, revealing a glass tube. Up goes a sample of fermenting beer, yeast and all, like a Victorian boba straw. They repeat the move in London and Edinburgh, collecting wort, yeast cultures, even mash water to test mineral content later. At night, they're hunched over hotel pitchers, sniffing, scribbling, and maybe sipping. Pure scientific rigor, of course. Back in Munich, Sedlmayr crossbreeds the pilfered British yeast with cold-loving Bavarian strains, perfecting Munich Dunkel. Dark bread crust flavors, smoother than a ballroom waltz. In Vienna, Dreher tweaks kiln temps and water chemistry, unveiling Vienna Lager, a brilliant amber that dazzles cafe society. Their success travels faster than a rumor at Oktoberfest. Brewers in Bohemia say, "Hold my stein," and push the concept to create pale Pilsner. Fast forward to today, 9 of the 10 best-selling beers on Earth are descendants of those cane-siphoned yeasts. Craft breweries still guard house cultures like Dragon Treasure, while homebrewers swap slurries in mason jars every weekend. Proof that fermentation, like gossip, refuses to stay bottled up. Was it industrial espionage or brilliant R&D? Maybe both. But either way, the hollow cane caper turned beer history on its head. And into your fridge. From sneaky siphons to global suds, innovation sometimes needs a dash of mischief. If this story tickled your taste buds, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell for fresh pours of history, and tell us which forgotten tale we should tap next. Until then, Prost, Slant, cheers.